got fresh shrimp and breaded shrimp.
All in all, the price for this is 39 KD. For the 400 by 600 grams of sea bream is 32 KD. Butterfly shrimp is 2 KD 850. And then the farm shrimp is 3 KD 750. And it's also free shipping.
For me, Mommy.
Oh, fresh. Here, look.
Mommy.
Fishy, fishy.
Ah,
Fishy
I
fish.
can feel it.
This is a 10 kilo
I can feel
sea
the-
bream
I
order.
can feel the-
They weigh like 400 to 600 grams each. And
It feels
that's what they
soft.
look like.
Oh. Dashi, try and slap it.
No! Okay, you wanna count the fish?
Yeah.
One.
Oh, 1, 2. You know, I'll feel it.
Uy, count! Huy, count! You lost count na.
8, 10, 11. I'm never gonna feel it. I feel it.
13, 15,
16,
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It's finished! Go wash your hands, Joshi!
What does your hand smell like?
it smells. Oh.
Go wash your hands! We got one nice, good-looking fish. We got a scaler. We got a sharp knife. Scissor. First, you cut this. And you cut this here. It's about time to get dirty and stinky. Joshua knows all the part of the fish. Let's clean the inside of our fish. How to scale a fish. See this one in your peeler? That's a scaler. A lot of people doesn't know that. So you scale it slowly so that the scale won't be flying everywhere in your kitchen. Look how shiny is that. Save it for later. Hold it quick because it's firm. This is double coating. This is just a regular. That's how you make it.
A little bit of fish and chips. Fresh fish and chips. Ah, so good. Anyways, guys, we got some fresh fish just in time for the lockdown, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. This is your favorite, remember?
Oh yeah, I can remember.
Okay.
But I don't like it anymore. I like chicken now.
Okay.
Go
Is it dead?
Yeah, they're dead.
No! 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 The fish is dying!
That's why I get mad. Because nobody listen.
She's mad 99% of the time. Hey, that's animal abuse.